Namaste. We have to do 3 scans, doctor. First scan done, 2 more scans, 1 dental scan and 1 scan outside. Then we will do virtual surgical planning. That will take 1 or 2 days. Then if you want, we can do surgery straight away. Or you take appointment and we can do whenever you want. Your recovery time in the hospital will be minimum 4-5 days, average 1 week. Then I think it will take 3 weeks before you join for work.
Okay.
Because some speaking, some eating, all issues will be there. I would recommend 3 weeks. It's better. You have to get 3 weeks. 1 month if you have is very comfortable. After that, you might also need some braces and aligners for your teeth to settle. That might take anywhere between 6 to 12 months. Open your mouth again. Bite. Okay, relax. Okay, open nicely. Bite. Okay.
So today we have a patient with us. He has come to us with a complaint of facial asymmetry. On taking the scans, we came to a conclusion that he has got left condylar hyperplasia, because of which his chin is getting pushed on this side and his face is not symmetrical. So today we had given the patient 2 options for the surgery, a bi-jaw surgery or an orthomorphic. Since the patient did not wanted to go for bi-jaw because it's a little invasive, we are going for the orthomorphic surgery. What we are going to do, we are going to cut the outer cortex of his bone and we are going to rotate it in an alignment so that we get the symmetry on both the side of its jaw.
See, this is the joint on this side, and this is the joint on this side. And there is asymmetry on both the sides. One side joint is not so good. But because your mouth opening is good, I think what we can do is, there is a cant also in the upper jaw. So we'll do a bi-jaw. Otherwise, this length I cannot alter. Otherwise, your bite will be a problem. With orthomorphic, the bite will remain the same. You will only get 80% improvement or 70% improvement. With a bi-jaw, you'll get all improvement. With orthomorphic, you don't need aligners.
I'm planning for a dental implant also, sir.
That you can do later on. That is not a big deal. That's a small thing here.
Yes.
That's a very simple thing. But I think you will have better thing with a bi-jaw than with an orthomorphic. If you want teeth and all the face to be corrected.
Science. Only the collection is the thing, right? So you please come down after rounds. Just come to dental OPD. The dental chair is examining. Okay. The 5th day.
Oh, today is purified.
Purified. Okay, so I just have a look down.
Okay.
Okay. So how are you? Feeling better now? Well, then morning you had a little bit pain and fever. You said fever yesterday. Okay. The entire day fever, nothing out there, right? Okay, fine. How are you? Feel better. You have a lot of collection, right? Yesterday she's having morning. Yeah, looks better now. Doesn't look like nothing. 7 days enough, he said. 7 days enough.
Today is the
7th day we are stopping it. So Dr. Sunil said he'll speak to you tomorrow. Yeah. This will actually be more than the expected. So it's a collection which is happening.
Okay.
It's okay, fine. Nothing. Antibiotic will stop. Painkillers you are taking. All other tablets you are taking, right? Food soft. Yes. All tablets will give. So food soft item. Applying gel, continues 3-4 times you apply the gel.
4 times.
4 times, so it's fine. So it just forms a protective layer there. Okay, right.
Post-op, how many days now? Today is your last dose of IV, right? IV injection today is your last dose, right?
7th day it was stopped.
Oh, 7th day it was stopped itself.
On
Okay.
7th day, oral antibiotics.
Torch, please. Nice, it's almost okay now. Not any discharges coming. Let's see, we'll discuss with Dr. Sunil and then maybe tomorrow we'll plan for a discharge.
Okay. I'm just going to check if any collection is there today. There's nothing. They're saying there is nothing. So I want pickups. What is it, doctor?
No.
உள்ள கலெக்ட் ஆகாம வந்துட்டே இருக்கும் அவ்வளவுதான் பண்ணணும் ஒரு 3 days
Until the cause soaks, change it.
லைட்டா சோக் ஆகக்கூடாது நிறைய மினிமம் if it comes you should take it out, that's it.
Okay.
That's all you have to do, and then apply that gel. Gel is like a prevention. Daily apply gel 2-3 times before you eat. Finished.
Keeping the gauze like in night times or like.
Better keep it in the night also if you can. One small slender gauze, or put a gel and keep. In the morning, just press like this little bit, it will come out. Do this for other 3 or 4 days till you get nothing like this.
Okay.
That kind of some food we can get, other better,
Okay.
but it should not go deep. Usually mucosa will heal in 10 days.
Yeah. No, like,
Almost 10 days over. So it might take 1 or 2 days. Once mucosa heals, you settle.
Oh.
This happened. No, this much is a cut.
Yeah.
So the mandible is not in its full strength
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Even though your bite is normal, you have to wait for a month or 2 before you can start eating heavy food stuff. If you load too much, it can cause some problems or break.
Okay.
That's the only thing. That's with any orthodontic surgeries.
Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.